Balancing a busy schedule with home-cooked meals can be challenging, but with some quick and easy weeknight meals, you can simplify your evenings without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Here are 4 straightforward options that require minimal preparation and cooking time, ideal for those hectic nights when convenience is key. First, there's the classic stir-fry. Utilize whatever vegetables you have on hand, bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, and pair them with a protein like chicken, beef, or tofu. A simple sauce of soy sauce, garlic, and ginger ties everything together. Feel free to serve over rice or noodles for a hearty meal in under 20 minutes. Next up is the versatile one-pan pasta. In a large skillet, combine pasta, cherry tomatoes, spinach, garlic, and chicken or sausage with just enough broth to cover the pasta. Simmer until the pasta absorbs the liquid and becomes tender. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan for an easy dinner that's ready in 15 minutes. Another go-to is the speedy tacos. Use ground meat, beef, turkey, or even plant-based crumbles. Season with taco seasoning and serve with shredded lettuce, cheese, salsa, and avocado on soft or hard taco shells. You can have a flavorful and festive meal in just 10 minutes of cooking time. Lastly, consider making an omelette. Great for using up leftovers, simply whisk eggs and pour into a hot pan, adding vegetables, meats, and cheeses as desired. Cook until the edges are set, fold, and serve. You'll have a delicious and protein-packed meal in less than 10 minutes. With these quick and easy recipes, you can enjoy nutritious and satisfying meals without spending hours in the kitchen.